Today I'm going to explain you about the unit conversion. Okay, it's very important. It's better. It is the basics in engineering. Like for example, if you are doing the designing, if you are doing the drafting and civil and architectural or mechanical, so it's very important. You can say it's very basic to know about the units. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inch. This is one thing. 1 foot is equal to 12 inch. Then we have 1 inch is equal to 25.4 millimeter. Okay. So this is another thing. Then we have 1 foot is equal to 0.3 meter. 1 foot is equal to 0.3 meter. This is another important unit. Okay. Then we have 1 square meter is equal to 10.75 square feet. Okay, 1 square meter is equal to 10.75 square feet. This is another unit conversion. Then we have 1 square feet is equal to 0.093 square meter. Then we have 1 meter, 1000 millimeter, and 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter or 1000 millimeter. And then we have 1 foot is equal to 304.8 millimeter, and it's equal to 30.4 centimeter. Okay, so this is unit conversion. Then we have and 1 meter is equal to 39 inch, and 1 meter we have how much inch? 39 inch. And then 1 square feet is equal to 92903 millimeter square, and 1 meter per second is equal to 106.9 FPM, foot per minute. Okay, and then we have 1 millimeter is equal to 0.039. This screenshot I'll give you in the description. Okay, so you can see from here.